We got an old school Nissan Sentra GA15. Customer complained that he had a rough idle and a dead misfire. He changed the plug wires, he changed the spark plugs, and he even changed the ECU and the injectors, and he still has his dead misfire. So he asked if I could check it out for him, and as you can see off the 2-channel scope, you see that he do have a misfire, right? So from analyzing this waveform, I'm seeing that the spark is jumping out the cylinder before he even enter. So where that could come from? The distributor. So I'm going to do some additional testing and show him what it's supposed to be and what is not, and he determine what he needs to do. So the distributor is very scarce, so I'm letting them know that this is how it's supposed to look, right? So until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Later.